Hello everyone, welcome back to the another lecture on the aesthetic and the ergonomics design. Today we'll be starting with the next part of the this lecture, that is the aesthetic consideration. So what we are going to study today, we'll see the introduction, aspect of aesthetic design. Okay, we'll start with the introduction. What exactly the aesthetic consideration means? The word aesthetic is defined as the set of the principle of beauty. It's all about related to your appearance of the product. Okay, how good it is in appearance, how it will be appearance can be used to attract the people. This is what the main, a motto of the aesthetic design. See, each product has a definite purpose, of course, correct? It is made for some kind of purpose. Two wheeler is made for the purpose of the carrying the people from one place to the other place, correct? Next, it has to perform the specific function to be satisfaction of the customer. So whatever you are manufacturing, uh, our aim is to satisfy the customer. Whatever we are making the product, at the end it will be used by the customers. So we have to take their consideration into account while going for the manufacturing of some products. The relation between the product and the customer arises due to the necessity of their functional requirement. Yes, of course. Uh, as I told previously, also, whatever we are inventing, whatever we are manufacturing, it is because it's a demand from the human beings. Correct? They need something new. That's why we are making it. So this is how it goes. Now, example, the function requirement of the domestic refrigerator is to preserve the commodities for a week. Correct? Refrigeration, what we are using it. So the functional requirement bring product or people together. So this is what some of the points that covers the why exactly the aesthetic consideration has to be taken into the account. Now see the aspect of the aesthetic design. The various aspects of the aesthetic design are shape, then color, shape or form. We call it as form also. Color, variety, style, continuity, contrast, symmetry and balance, material and surface finish, okay, tolerance, noise, etc. These are the aspects of the aesthetic design. You will study some more. I will study about the shape, or it is also called as a form. There are five basic forms or shape of the product, namely the step. Okay, step in the how it looks like. Step means like this. Okay, next comes the taper form. Taper form something look like this. Okay, shear form, streamline form. So these are the some of the forms uh, of the shape. Step form. So what is the step forms? Is stepped structure having the vertical accent. Okay, it is the similar to the shape of the multi-story building. Yes. Next comes the taper form. The taper form consists of the tapered block or tapered cylinder. Shade form has the square outdoor. So these are some of the shapes that are used: streamline form, sculpture form, etc. Next, we'll go to the size. See, due to the so these are the some of the aspect of the size due to the miniaturization of the advanced technology developed in the electronics and other field. The designer can now use the previously unacceptable housing or integrated items. The freedom of design now manifests the choice. Color is one of the major important factor of the aesthetic consideration. Okay, so color, as you already know, correct, whatever you purchase, you start searching the colors of your own choice. So color plays a very important role in as far as the aesthetic consideration is concerned. So these are the point which covered under the colors. So Morgan, who is the one scientist who suggested the meaning of the color as shown in the big figure. Table is there. So red, the meaning is danger. Orange, possible danger. Yellow, caution. Green, safety. Blue, caution code. Gray, dull. So these are some of the color coding proposed by the Morgan. Okay, thank you.